In today's video, we will talk about how to fix business not showing up on Yelp. Watch until the end of the video to learn everything you need. First, you're going to log in your account. After that, search for your business on Yelp to see if it already exists. If it doesn't, you may need to create a new listing. If it exists, but you haven't claimed it, claim your business by following these steps. Go to Yelp for Business. Search for your business and click Claim this business. Follow the instructions to verify ownership. This typically involves receiving a phone call or email for verification. Make sure the business is listed in the correct category. Check the business information. Ensure that your business details, address, phone number, website, etc., are accurate and complete. Incomplete or incorrect information might lead to your business not appearing. Update any missing or incorrect details. Sometimes it takes a few days for Yelp to update or display your business, especially if you've made recent changes or claimed your business. I hope you learned about the video. Thank you for watching.